What's going on, guys? It's your boy AvikDaGreat here, and now I'm playing Will You Press the Button.com. Fuck the .com, it's not there. You have the worst life in history of the world. You have every superpower in the Marvel industry. No, please. You have every single superpower, but yes, please. You can get any game you want for free, one per day. You can only play single player mode. Most of the games I want are single player, so yeah. You get your own Iron Man suit. Nice. But Jarvis is... Every device you use is the fastest and most efficient, but it starts to overheat after 30 minutes of you using it, no matter if it has a cooling system or not. I don't know. I think I'll press the button. You can kill him. Isn't he already dead? You can kill Hitler, but you go to prison and get butt raped. Isn't Hitler dead? You can fly, but you become a pig. Catch it? What? Who the fuck made this question? I want to become a pig that catches fire. Yeah, I'll surely become a pig that catches fire. You can create computer games and music at will, just as you want it. But Slenderman will attempt to hunt you down, but he will never manage to kill you, except if he drives you crazy and makes you kill yourself. Oh no. No. Ah! I have a very bad history with Slenderman, so no, please no. You would screw Jennifer Lopez and Kate Upton. Nice. You will never have Wi-Fi. No, not the Wi-Fi. You have to press a big red. You will never know what would have happened. Okay. What? You're going to make love with your favorite actress, but she... No. You can bring your favorite fictional character to life, but in 10 years you will have to witness her agonizing death. Okay, become a member of your favorite band, but the member you're replacing has to die so you can enjoy. I said enjoy instead of join. I think no. You become a god. Everyone you know and love will resent you. No. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. AvikDaGreat out. Peace. Lol.